Hey guys, I'm here. I'm back with episode 1 of Mario, Luigi, and Yoshi Find the Angry Bird, and we're on this island called what is it called again? I have to go check. Angry Bird's Island, and so we will stick on this, and we're trying to find the Angry Bird. Yeah, that was in the time in the past, and now in the future. And now we have to save the Angry Bird. Well, too bad Luigi got off the air. Well, it's on me now. It's up to me. Ooh, Mario, yeah, Luigi. That was a terrifying. Whoopsies. Yeah. Wow, he keeps on flipping off the edge. I wonder why. Wow, is there like a bunch code? Well, I guess Yoshi Shadow's on. Oh, now it is. It's a Yoshi Shadow. Good thing I'm all alone. Nothing goes so smooth. Why do I keep on falling? I hate this episode. Now let's go before we get stuck on this island and keep on going out there. Well, let's go to Yoshi Shadow. Okay. You might have to walk.